The amount you can actually borrow from Klover or FloatMe depends on your individual eligibility, not just what the apps advertise. Your banking history, account activity, and how you use each service all play a role in determining your available advance. By the end of this video, you'll know which app is generally the better choice if you're looking for higher advance limits, and what else you should compare before signing up. If your main goal is qualifying for the highest possible advance over time, Klover is generally the stronger option. If you only need smaller advances to cover occasional expenses between paychecks, FloatMe may be all you need. Start with how both apps determine your limit. Neither app gives every user the same amount. After you connect your bank account, each platform reviews your account activity and decides whether you qualify for an advance and how much you can receive. Your available limit can change over time as your account history changes. Klover is designed to reward consistent account activity and continued use of the platform. As you build a history that meets its requirements, you may become eligible for larger advances than you received when you first signed up. If your goal is accessing more money over time, that makes Klover the more attractive option. FloatMe takes a simpler approach. The app is built around helping users cover smaller cash shortages before payday, rather than providing the largest possible advances. For someone who only needs enough to avoid an overdraft or handle a minor unexpected expense, that simpler model can be perfectly adequate. Higher limits aren't always the deciding factor. You should also compare how quickly each app delivers funds, whether your bank is supported, and what membership or optional services are required. A larger approved amount isn't very helpful if it doesn't arrive when you need it, or if you don't qualify in the first place. It's also worth thinking about how you'll use the advance. If you're regularly facing larger cash gaps, relying on any advance app every pay period may not be a long-term solution. These services are generally intended to bridge temporary shortfalls rather than replace steady income or traditional budgeting. Here's the bottom line. Klover is usually the better choice if your priority is qualifying for higher advance limits over time. FloatMe is better suited for people who want a straightforward app focused on smaller paycheck gaps and simple cash advances. Before choosing either app, review the current eligibility requirements, available transfer options, and account terms so you know what you may actually qualify for. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more honest financial app comparisons.